The famous onion burger is what we're cooking up today.
Buzz Cooks is showing you the George Motz way.
Who, you might ask?
Just the king of hamburgers, the maestro of the smash burger, the lord of the patties. When it comes to hamburgers, he's the master of our universe.
All right, let's get started on making this amazing onion burger. First, we got a sweet onion, and we're going to slice it as thin as we can. We'll set that aside. Now I've got 1 pound of ground beef. I'm going to cut into 4 squares and then roll each square into a nice little ball, because we're going to start with a ball of beef to make that smash burger. So while I'm doing this, please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, stay up to date on newest recipes, new shows every Sunday, every Wednesday. If you have a chance, please leave a comment and hit that hype button if you can. That also helps with the algorithm of YouTube. I appreciate y'all very much. All right, we'll get these rolled up. So we're going to break out our flat top. Get the heat up to about 350. If you don't have a flat top, a cast iron skillet or a regular frying pan will work too. And we're going to use potato buns because that's what George uses. So first off, we're going to throw the potato buns on the flat top and get those a little toasty. And once those are toasted up, we'll remove them. And then we'll put 2 balls down at a time. And you're going to want to have these hamburger balls, let them sit for about 1 minute. And then when you roll them over, you'll see that they don't stick to the parchment paper that much. They're still going to stick a little bit, but this seems to help a little bit. So we'll put those on the flat top, let them go for a minute, and then we'll just roll them over. I got my little, what do you call it, smasher device with the piece of parchment paper in between the two. There we go. Now we'll get in there and smash them down nice and thin. A little bit more there. There we go. Then we'll do the other one. And then we're going to put a nice handful of those onions right on top after we season these with a little bit of salt and pepper. So we'll get these seasoned up. Throw a nice handful of onions on each one. And we'll let those cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. And then we're going to get in there with our spatula and give it a flip and put the onions on the bottom half. Then we're going to top them off with some good old-fashioned American cheese. And then what George likes to do is stack his buns on top of the cheese so the buns start to pick up some steam from the onions and the burgers, which actually worked pretty well, I will say. Kind of, once you flip these, try to get those onions tucked back underneath the meat as best you can. And you'll see here in a second after we put the cheese on what I'm talking about the bun there. And it also makes it easy to just slide your spatula underneath, take the top bun off, put it on the bottom, and you're ready to roll. Hey, make these George Motz smash burgers. You're going to love them. Onion burgers, delicious. We'll see you on the next video.
Onion burger
Thank you all very much.
cooking up today.
Buzz Cooks is showing you the George Motz way.
Who, you might ask?